Good morning, guys. So, sorry, I gotta flip my viewfinder. Good morning, guys. So today is move-in day. It's like 7:47 in the morning. Dre is up with Alea. She woke him up at like 6 something too, but he just told me he's up with Alea. And I'm up too, and I just need to finish like doing a little bit of packing, and then DeAndre's coming to get me. So he's coming to get me because, okay, he's coming to get me because we're going to go pick up the key. So I'm excited, you guys. This is just wow. Finally is all I can say. So yeah, but yeah, so let me just again get some stuff together because I'm just so like but y'all, I didn't end up breaking down my bed because as y'all know, my bed is for my kid. And y'all, look at all this baby water. When I tell y'all I stack up on baby water because I just don't want her to go without. But what was I about to say? So basically what happens, my dad said that it would be best if he just like does the bed for me. So I'm just like, okay, but he won't be here until like 1 o'clock. So I'm just like, okay, that's fine actually, because I can just get other stuff done while waiting for that. But oh my gosh, this is just crazy. Crazy. Lord, this is 4 boxes and I have 2 upstairs, some more crib stuff, wipes. It's just so much, so I'm excited. I showed y'all this last night, but I didn't really end up doing nothing else because like I said, I was tired. So I'm about to take these slacks downstairs, these drawers, taking all these drawers out, this crib stuff, Theodore, my teddy bear, this drawer, some other stuff I'm about to put in trash bags, pack that box up, and get ready to go. And I'm gonna just take that down right now and put it in her keepsake. So yeah. Yep, this is it. Okay, y'all, so it's like 8:41 and Dre's coming to pick me up in an hour at 9:45. I'm getting these drawers taken out and then I got the whole crib going. I still have these slacks, which I think I'm gonna just leave up here for my dad to take. And I'm gonna just get the rest of this stuff, like this bag, all that stuff. I just put like everything right here. It's my stuff that need to go with me. Theodore still has to come with us. This lunchbox, this has to come. I'm like, I don't know what to do with that mirror in my Crocs. It just seems like so much, and I'm taking my tripod with me, of course, y'all. But oh my god, it's just so much. And oh yeah, I need to get that and take it in her keepsake. So I'm gonna take this last drawer down and this other stuff, and yeah, I'll come back and check on y'all. This is everything. I didn't even remember that I had 3 boxes back there. So I know this is just like a lot, but again, I'm moving out. Mattress, crib, 6 boxes, 4 is under here. Dressers, her chair, all these waters, and I just found 2 more. So yeah, I got 1 more dresser upstairs, and I think that's pretty much it. Some cleaning stuff. This is all the stuff I'm taking to clean. Yeah, this the cleaning machine, the little Swiffer thing. So yeah, oh yeah, her high chair is gone. Yeah, that's it for now, really, y'all. So this is everything. Let me get up here and do an overview. Oh my god. This is just so much. And then I have that mirror in that bag. Bathtub. I already showed y'all this. I don't know why I'm showing y'all again. Alright, y'all. So Dre
Hey.
came to pick me up. And he moving every single item that was in that living room by himself.
Yeah, right.
Leia, she back there. I think she awake. Okay, y'all. So we're walking to the apartment. I got stuff on my hand, so I won't be able to hold the camera right now. It's just hanging on my neck by the thing. But we're going to the.
Oh, right here.
I figured it was this one. Okay. Okay, this one thing I also gotta learn how to do. Oh my god! I gotta learn how to like get the key out the door. Babe, can you please help me? Cause I don't know how to do this.
Well, this motherfucker already clean, but you can do it again.
Yeah. Thank you, cause I don't know how to do that. You gotta teach me, cause that's one thing I never really knew how to do. Let's take a key out the door. Oh my god. Babe, no shoes in the... No, I'm just playing.
Nah, I definitely understand that.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my god, it actually just looks way better like than I...
Think it's nice.
Oh my gosh. The living room is not big, but I'm not really... I don't care because I'm not... I don't know, I'll give y'all the details later. Oh, the lights. We gotta see the lights.
It's not that big, but it'll do for now.
Yeah, this is actually perfect. Like, this is not too much. Is my camera dark? Babe, wait for me. Oh my gosh. Dre don't want to wait for nobody.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just wanted to...
This is gonna be where I... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Y'all can see. Y'all can see. I think it like twisted at the top, but oh my god, y'all. Here's my freaking key. Let me get a thumbnail. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I haven't moved in yet, but I'm in my apartment. So I'm about to show you guys this empty apartment tour. I'm just can't believe I'm doing this right now. But yeah, here we go. So this is the front door. My shoes right there. And then we have this dining room area, which I'm probably, I don't know. I don't know, y'all. I just have so many decisions to make as far as the dining room. And then this is what you see when you first walk in. So this is the bathroom, and this is like a storage closet. So let me show you guys that real quick. So it has pretty good amount of space, which I'm glad because I feel like I need a lot of place to store stuff. So this is the kitchen. Oh, let me turn this lights off. You know, we pay bills now. Can't be leaving lights on. So this is the kitchen. Let me show y'all from over here. So this is the kitchen. It's a pretty good sized kitchen, and I'm glad it's a little bit more modern. So I was thinking about doing like the whole contact paper thing, but it's some storage under here, which I'm so happy about. The sink is big, and then we have stove, oven, microwave, don't mind that mirror. We have a refrigerator and freezer, and let's see what else. I got my own thermostat. Lights off, y'all. We can't be playing no games. So here's the living room. It's not too big, but it's not too small. It's like perfect. I have to find out what I'm gonna do as far as the couch, because I really didn't have no plans, but I'm definitely gonna get a TV to go right here and a couch. I do want like a sectional still, but it'll probably have to be like this, and then the sitting thing right here. So yeah, I have a patio. I didn't plan on having a patio, and I also don't plan on buying patio furniture. But this is like a good sized patio, and I'm also on the first floor, you guys, which is completely fine with me. And the reason why I'm okay with being on the first floor is because we do have a Leia, and it would make it just a whole lot easier on me. Like when I go grocery shopping and stuff, it'll just be a whole lot easier to, you know, have her and be able to bring her bring her in the house, bring groceries, you know, because it would be a house with a child. And I think this is just a lot easier. I love where my apartment is. I always said no, I never want to be on the first floor, but I actually like being on the first floor. I love where my apartment is. So this is our room right here. It is, again, a great size. I love the room so much. I can't wait to like get my bed in here and my TV on the wall. My headboard is gonna be right here, and then right there will be the TV. Here's a window. I gotta get some curtains. They got a lot of outlets in here, but that's where the TV will have to go. Wow, I'm just so excited. There's a lot of outlets in here. They did already, like, you know, do the carpet, but now I'm still gonna do some cleaning right here. Okay, let me show y'all. This video is not even gonna be a long video. So right here is the laundry room and our closet. So let me show you guys in there. I'm like so happy. Like, I can't believe I finally got my own place. It's so unreal. So this is where our washer and dryer is going, and someone is gifting us a washer and dryer, which I'm so grateful for, and I'm so glad it has storage. So today I'm gonna make sure I go buy some like stuff to wash clothes. They got some manuals and stuff up here. I guess it's like to let us know how to connect stuff. But yeah. Here's our closet, which does have a light. So the closet is pretty good. For a 1-bedroom, I think this is like perfect. So again, storage, that is just perfect, honestly. I'm just so happy. Turn this light off. And this is our bathroom, which I'm just like, wow, it's huge. So I mean, that light don't, okay. So this is our bathroom. I'm trying to show y'all. I'm sorry this video is so quick, but it's really not much to show or much to draw out. But here is me. This is the kitchen. I mean, sorry. This is the bathroom counter. I can't wait for this to be all cute. The mirror, which is a great size, and the light. The lighting here is good. Here is our toilet and tissue paper thing. Oh, I gotta get some towel things. And then this is our shower tub, which is like huge. That tub is like so big. I'm just so happy, and I just couldn't have really wanted anything more or less. This was honestly perfect. I'm just so happy. And again, there's another door right here, like to walk back out. So this is my apartment, you guys. This is a 1-bedroom, 1 bathroom. But I'm just happy. I'm just overwhelmed, really. I can't believe that I really have like my own place. Like, this is just crazy to me. My lease is for 9 months, and the reason why I did a lease for 9 months is because so many things can change in 9 months. Like, for example, YouTube could change, and then I could be able to, you know, go to a better apartment. Not saying this apartment is bad. This apartment is freaking amazing, but I could go to like a different place, because I did see another, like, my dream apartment. So, you know, if my YouTube channel was doing better and I could, you know, be a stay-at-home mom and stuff, then yeah. So I did a 9-month lease. But again, if I'm not in, you know, a super better place, then I'll just renew this lease. So I love this place. I'm so happy that it's on the first floor. Like, I'm so glad it's not on like the 3rd or 2nd. So that's it for my empty apartment tour, you guys. But let me just talk to y'all some more about some things. So let me just do it right here. Oh, I forgot to get my tripod. So, some motivation for any other person, female, male, girls that are younger than me, girls that are older than me, who is trying to, you know, get their own place. I just want to start by saying, definitely save up and definitely be realistic with yourselves about the cost of being here. Being on your own, because it is expensive. Not only is it expensive monthly, but it's going to also be expensive sorry. Not only is it expensive monthly, but it's also going to be expensive to, you know, live on your own and furnish a place. Furnish a place is going to be expensive to buy groceries and stuff. Like, y'all, I've spent so much money. So be realistic with yourself is probably like the #1 thing I'm gonna say, because it does get real, because you don't think about the things that you have to buy that your parents are used to buying. For example, glass cleaner. Did you ever buy glass cleaner when living with your parents? I highly doubt it, because that's something that your parents take care of. So now that's your responsibility. So yeah, it's just things like that you got to think of when you want to move out. But I definitely encourage you guys to move out. If you are planning on moving out or want to move out, leave a comment below. I'll be willing to give you advice. To get this apartment, it took me less than a week. I applied, and then the next day, well, this is how it went. I called one day to like inquire. The next day I applied. No, I never toured this place. I toured this place before last year when I was looking for apartments before I got pregnant. But I knew it was like a good area and a good apartment. But I never like toured this before I moved in. So I applied. The next day she called me. She was just like, "You're approved." The next day after that, you can move in tomorrow or next week, whatever. So yeah, it went by pretty quick. I think that as long as you get approved and stuff, it probably should be a quick process anyways, unless like the apartment's not ready. But this apartment was already available. So yeah, I just think it worked out perfect. Everything was the perfect timing. I'm just so happy, and I couldn't have wanted anything else. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, all the videos before and that's coming after. I gotta get cleaned up because I'm about to move in. So thank you guys for all the support from me, Alea, and Dre, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.